Any mention? Hearing, item number 1.
Who's there for petitioner?
This matter, my lord, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit, my lord.
Huh. Oh. Why is this for hearing then?
No, as per the last order.
I'm also by 10th February. Who's appearing for the...
Lordship, I'm praying
You're praying for whom?
for more time, Lordship, for the additional senior government advocate on behalf of...
Okay, when can you file it? By
2
tomorrow?
weeks, Lordship. 2 weeks.
Yes, Ms. S. Lalu, right?
Yes, Lordship.
On behalf of the learned advocate, who's appearing? Who's the accounting counsel here?
The last division, Advocate General has appeared, my lord.
Yes,
On
appearing.
behalf of the respondents, prays that further 2 weeks' time be allowed for filing out of opposition. Yes, stop prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks.
My lord, in the meantime, if required, we'll file the rejoinder, my lord.
Yes, list after 2 weeks. When are you going to file it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. With advance copy to be served to the petitioner, who may file rejoinder if so advised. Yes.
Lordship, right.
Yes, accordingly also.
Lordship, right.
Any mention?
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 30 on behalf of the petitioner.
Number?
30, Lordship, 30. Praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship. 30.
Who's for the side?
Government is there, Lordship.
Yeah, objection.
No, Lordship, just that we were not informed prior.
2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Reply, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. That's item number 36 of the hearing list minutes. In that, I have filed an application seeking impleadment. I've served a copy on the Learned Counsel for the writ petition by Learned Senior.
It was
So
fixed.
it's appearing in the...
It was fixed for hearing today, but they filed an application. I received copy on 13/2/2025.
This is Ojaswi.
My lord.
We'll take it up.
No, I have to file objections because they have. I received copy only on 13/2.
I filed it on the 14th, my lord. It's instead of the order column, it's showing in the hearing column.
Okay, number 36. It is submitted by Mr. S.N. that an application for impleadment being Miss Case 18
18 of 25.
has been filed. Stop Mr. Qureshi appearing for the writ petitioner.
Yes, I received the copy.
Submits that praise he may have to file an objection to the impleadment application.
Applications.
Only this matter after 2 weeks in the order column.
Lordship. Obligement.
Yes, for objections. Yes.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33, Lordship. Lordship, this matter can
Who's
be
for the
this council.
who's appearing for the
Private respondent, madam.
district council?
Respondent number 1 to 4, Your Lordship. 1 to
No
4.
objection.
No, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 32, madam.
32.
After 2 weeks, madam.
Why? This matter is hanging fire. You have any objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 29.
Why?
Conducting counsel Mr. T.L. Jirwa is out of station, Lordship.
Mr.
T.L. Jirwa.
Who tells you? I never seen him.
He's conducting counsel, Lordship.
What does he look like? I see your name on the top. Then? Yes, Mr. Khan.
No objection, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This is matter regarding regularization of petitioner service, Lordship.
Matters. Okay, 2 weeks, okay.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 31.
Why? Who's missing here?
I am conducting counsel, Lordship. Yes.
You're a conducting counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
Why do you want to do it?
I need some more research, Lordship.
No
Yeah, objection?
No objection.
Why you all don't object also? Yes. 2 weeks, okay. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship,
Yeah.
supplementary list, my lord,
Yes.
item 4.
They have raised
Yes, my lord.
serious objections to your prolonged adjournment.
I appreciate that. Fact of the matter is, my lord, we've both taken equal number of adjournments, but leaving that aside, my lord, in this matter, my lord, will require some preparation from my side. If it can be taken on Monday, my lord. I'm not trying to stall the matter or anything.
We'll see who wants to stall the matter.
Yes.
I'm not trying to stall.
Lordship,
that.
my
Because the adjournments given, suppose, but yesterday there was a strong objection by
I appreciate that, my
The
lord.
reason for
junior
objection,
Mr. Qureshi.
Lordship, the reason for objection is that the managing committee is to be constituted for a period of 3 years. Out of 3 years, one year already has gone. Remaining period is 1 year, hardly 11 months only. For that is required disposal. And the case is also not that complicated. I'm seeking a mandamus because there were 2 proposals submitted,
No,
one
we
by his
understand
party.
whatever relief is seeking,
No.
there's some urgency in the matter. That's what we have to
I
understand
appreciate
that.
the urgency, my lord. I'm only asking for
Monday will not be possible.
Monday or Tuesday, whatever is convenient.
We'll have it on 20th.
20th.
20.
Release on Thursday.
It's a little too early, my lord. If Lordship can show some kindness in
Why
this matter.
too early for you?
I need to prepare for this matter. It requires.
No preparation, Lord. I'm seeking just mandamus, Lordship.
Petitioner has stated
Mandamus,
this is a very
Lordship.
simple matter for me, my lord.
No,
It's not a simple matter.
mandamus, Lordship, just to direct the directors statutory body to take a decision on the proposal submitted by both the parties.
Okay, 26 as a fixed matter.
Very well, my lord. Highly obliged. Grateful, my lord.
On the Mr. S. Gentleman, counsel for the petitioner, submitted has prayed that due to persons with the matter be adjourned for today. Stop the same has been objected to by Mr. M. F. Qureshi, who submits that there is grave urgency. Accordingly, this next one, the matter on 26 February as a fixed item.
26.
Obliged. Grateful.
Yes. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
If your lordship can kindly pass over a matter, your lordship.
Yes.
Pass over your lordship.
Why? What's the matter about? You want interim orders?
There's a stay
It's for
application.
regularization, I mean, with retrospective effect. That is their claim.
Lordship, we are paramedic personnel under the Directorate of Health and Service, your lordship. Paramedic personnel, your lordship. Your lordship, here, your lordship, we were initially appointed temporarily, your lordship. Thereafter, a service was confirmed. During our service, your lordship, we were granted ACPS, your lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, your lordship, there was a cabinet
During
meeting.
your service, before regularize also, you granted
We were
ACPS.
confirmed. We were confirmed, and then we received a ECPS, your lordship. Thereafter, your lordship, there was a cabinet meeting, your lordship, whereby our service was regularized, your lordship. That is at Annexure 3, your lordship.
No, but if you're working ad hoc before, how would you get ECPS then?
We were already granted, your lordship. We were
How?
our service was confirmed, your lordship.
Confirm before regularization?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, then?
I'll seek instructions
Then
on
after
that,
your
your
lordship-
lordship. Now they're claiming that regularization should be with retrospective effect from the date of initial appointments as ad hoc appointees.
From the date we are seeking regularization.
But the
from the date-
regularization, as per the office memorandum, is from the date of the memorandum, your
Prospective.
lordship. Yes,
Not the regularization can't be retrospective.
they are asking for retrospective, your lordship.
Main grievance, your lordship, because we have been verbally communicated that they are trying to recover the ACPS already granted to us, your lordship. Some of us have already received a second ACPS, your
You mean to
lordship.
say that they've issued notices that they're going to recover from your salary now?
We've
No,
been
that
verbally-
notice has not been there.
Verbally
your lordship.
communicated, your lordship. We have been verbally
Let your
communicated.
That is just the apprehension, your lordship.
Yes, let them come.
You want it today?
If there is any recovery, it will be stayed in the time being. That's all. After some time.
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a retired professor, my lord. Earlier, a writ petition was filed, my lord. But in that writ petition,
Earlier, the petition was filed.
yes, my lord.
So what happened?
But in the respondent side had filed the affidavit in opposition, wherein they had mentioned about 187th meeting of executive council, whereby the prayer of the petitioner was rejected, my lord. So this court directed the petitioner to file the fresh petition, my lord. That is why this case has been filed, my lord. The
What do you want by the, what do you want?
financial benefits, my lord, mainly.
Who's the paying for who?
Your lordship,
Where's Mr. Sen?
your lordship, Mr. Sen is unavailable, your lordship.
He's not come to court.
No, your lordship.
You will accept notice?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, heard Mr.
A. Rashid.
A. Rashid and counsel petition issue notice. MS, you are?
Yes, Ibla.
Ibla, yes. First, our Guru Vice Dr. N. Muzika is present on behalf of Sponsor 1. And Ibla Vice Mr. SN is present and accepts notice on behalf of respondents 2, 3, and 4. No further notice called for this after 2 weeks for instructions or affidavit. Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item,
He's
number,
retired, you said, no?
Yes, my lord, retired, my lord.
item number 3.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I've approached before this honorable court, Lordship, I was denied nominations of filing a paper for the post of headman. Lordship, order 1610 of your Lordship passed in WPC 349. Direction was given that the election should be conducted in accordance with Section 7 of the 1959 Act. However, being aggrieved of the order, your Lordship, they have filed by way of an appeal before the
Why would
division
they
bench.
agree? Because they expressed that they could not, Mr. Nat expressly made a submission that Hima Moplang is not capable of holding the elections.
Yes, my lord.
That at that time
No,
before
not,
this court.
not incapable, my lord.
It's very exact word. You take out the YouTube, then you take out the YouTube recording.
My lord, there was
If you have
reason.
committed perjury before the other court, like an appeal saying that, that I never made a submission, then we're going to take it,
My lord, I'm
we're
not
taking one
making-
step further.
I'm not making
Yes.
making this up. My lord,
Yes.
my contention at that time was because of death of one of the member.
That you're not in a position to hold election.
Because of the death, my lord.
No, no.
That
You-
reason.
That is one
There
thing
are-
when this court repeatedly asked as to why, and then we had to resort to provision of 7.1 to ask the district council to conduct elections. Then the district council agreed because the inability expressed by the, and then who filed appeal before the, who filed appeal before the division bench?
The Linda.
We have filed, Lindo filed, my lord.
What was the contention there?
Condition that we want to.
Maybe we have to take the matter forward. Anyway, yes.
That we have
Your Lordship, certain conditions were framed by the election committee, Lordship, which have made as respondent number 2, Your Lordship, where circumventing certain conditions whereby deliberately, Your Lordship, that I should not be able to contest for this election. And one of the conditions, Your Lordship, is
The earlier Sardar.
yes, I was the ex-headman, Lordship. I was not the entire process, Lordship. It becomes unfair. What we approached for Your Lordship is we want a fair and democratic process for election. But they imposed a condition that since I have litigated before the against the Lingdor, that is the condition they imposed, Your Lordship, which is at page 26. Any person who litigate against the HIMA will not have any right. Page 26, Your Lordship, is the translated copy. Strict
Clause
number 4. Any person who had acted against or has litigated against the HIMA cannot contest the position of headman. That is
Look
which
back and
state.
put this kind of condition.
This is general condition, my lord.
Please sit
Not
down,
for a
Mr. Nat.
particular person.
Please sit down. I'm addressing Mr.
Lordship,
Yes.
irrespective of whether conditions are bad or good, at this stage of the proceeding, it is too late in the day because the election has already proceeded today.
It's already over.
No, Your Lordship, till 4 o'clock. And Your Lordship, I was supplied of this condition, Your Lordship,
And
on the 14th.
And page 26 is the conditions. If they are aggrieved by that condition, they could have come before us right before on the 13th itself or on the 14th.
Who's the returning officer here?
Returning officer, Mr.
Is it under supervision district council or is it they're voting independently?
We are supervising.
Election committee has been constituted, my lord, and from there.
Here there is an alternative remedy because the writ petitioner have come very, very late. The election is already right from 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. this morning and about to finish by now. And district administration also is involved. They have deputed some executive magistrate for law and order, etc. And they have given clearance also because of the district council elections. Now, if they are aggrieved by the conditions or the electoral process, there is an alternative remedy. This red court will have difficulty to interfere in electoral process.
Here's a very peculiar turn, Ms. Kanta. Maybe you didn't appear in the
I agree.
for the single judge.
I know.
But yesterday you were looking at this order of the writ appeal of the division bench. I was personally disturbed because we don't expect some councils, to conduct in a certain way. We have certain regard for certain councils.
I agree.
And especially when they make submissions at the bar before a single judge, whatever.
Agreed.
And then on a ground which is non-existent, you have your own grievances, we understand, but then, to twist the thing out of shape, to say that, that we never made, then there is, we leave it at that. But then it is very
I think
unfortunate.
it should not be repeated, Your Lordship.
Very unfortunate that, that this has happened and you
should not have
can't mislead
made
the court.
that submission, Your Lordship. Agreed, Your Lordship.
And if you were not able to if you said you could have the election, you could have said before the single bench that we can conduct elections, it would have ended there. But anyway.
Your Lordship, the circumstances, Lordship, which I am filing this writ before Your Lordship, since yesterday, I was provided of the copy, the conditions.
Only yesterday?
No, Your Lordship, on the 14th, when the nomination period for timing is got over, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, there has been deliberate plan to frame me, to formulate in such a manner that I should not, and I will not be able to contest for the post of the headman.
Mr. S. Lingdo, Leonard Counsel Petitioner. Mr. Vichikanta, Special Counsel, is present on behalf of the respondent number 3. Mr. H.R. Nath, as legal counsel, is present except on behalf of 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Next para, the grievance of the writ petitioner, who is stated to be the ex-headman of, what's the village called?
Mongap Kleshno.
Mongap Kleshno, is with the conditions that have been laid down with regard to eligibility to contest for the office of headman. Yes, of the said village. Stop. Mr. Esselingdo has, that's the only condition you agree with?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Only number 6?
Your Lordship, yes.
Oh,
And Lordship, one of the conditions they put, I'm already under the jurisdiction of my Lordship.
Number 4, you agree with number 4 only?
Number 4 is the main condition, Lordship.
Yes.
Otherwise, all other conditions we are complying
Yes. Mr. Arvindo, you have done? Yes, the village. So Arvindo has further has drawn attention of this court to the conditions, which is dated 12 February 2025, wherein at point number 4 thereof, with regard point number 4 thereof, wherein it has been laid down that a person who has acted or litigated against the HEMA can contest the position of Rampashno. Stop. This he submits is against all norms of electoral process and has been inserted in the conditions just to disqualify or to make the petitioner ineligible to contest for the said post. Stop. It's further submitted that he had received the said condition only on 13th.
On the 14th,
on the 14th itself, on the last date of nominations.
And that also, 12 is the timing that they close the nomination, Lordship. I was supplied just a minute before closure of nomination.
He submits that illegality being writ large in the entire process, some appropriate orders may be passed in this regard. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. BGK Kantala's senior counsel with so and so submitted that the elections have been the election for the Sardar of so and so village, is being held today
from area,
and the voting has commenced since 8 o'clock in the morning, and that at this stage no relief will be permissible, will be available to the writ petitioner before the writ court, and if still aggrieved, he can file election petition
alternative remedies
before the district council.
No, before the chief himself.
Election petition go for the chief.
Not election.
Your Lordship, there's grievance even at preparation of the conditions, Your Lordship.
Before the chief, and thereafter before
the respondent number, before the his respondent number
3.
Number 3.
Stop. Next parameter, HR not appearing for the respondents number
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1, my lord.
Do you have any submissions to make? 2 and 3, sorry. 1 and 2, yes.
You're not for 2.
What is submissions?
Not yet, my lord. My lord, this is an election committee, my lord. Separate constituted body, my lord.
Constituted by the leader.
For them also?
My
You're appearing for them?
Till now, I have instruction to appear on. I've received the copy on behalf of the respondent 1, my lord.
Okay, what thought number 2, only for number 1. Yeah. And so what do you have to say?
My lord, writ petition is not maintainable, my lord. Yeah. Number 1, the returning officer has not been made party, my lord. And also
one was not made party?
Returning officer of the my lord, we have constituted a election committee.
You made the election committee a party. Yes. Anyway, Mr. Charnath at this stage submits that he has no instructions to appear for the respondent number 2 and has only accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. It is he further submits that the writ petition is not maintainable, and it's not maintainable in its present form. Stop. Next paragraph. Having heard and consulted with the parties and considering situation at hand, it is noted. It is noted that the condition. Where's the schedule for elections? You know, next it also.
We were not supplied a copy of anything, Lordship, and we were supplied at a very little stage with the condition also. This is the only document we can rely at present.
Conditions which have been prescribed by the communication, by the notice dated 12 February 2025, has laid down. Notes that the conditions, which is referred to by the learned counsel for the petitioner, prima facie militates against the free and fair election process. Though at this stage, without making any further observations, in view of the fact that elections are already in progress and will conclude, it provided that the result of said election shall not be declared until the next date and shall be kept in a sealed cover by an officer to be deputed within 1 hour by the executive committee of the council. List after 1 week. We'll see this case, Mr. Nath. It's like, indulge in this kind of illegalities. Yes.
Lordship, I couldn't get the last portion.
Last portion that you are started within 1 hour. You send an officer to collect the to the election spot, and then to collect the result and keep in seal cover in your custody. I'll reframe the order.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
Your Lordship, I pray that I may withdraw this contempt case with liberty to file a writ petition, Your Lordship.
Of course, the counsel for the petitioner prays him to withdraw this instant application, and we are going to seek alternate remedy. Prayers allowed, matter closed and withdrawn. The deputy is prayed. Obliged.
Item number 2.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter, Your Lordship. Mr. Nombri is still on next before.
What is this? This is a contempt case matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, what is it about?
Lordship, there were certain directions for the state respondents to advertise special advertisement, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. RK General.
Your Lordship, I have filed the affidavit.
You got a copy additional affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then?
Kindly pass over, Your Lordship. My senior.
And Your Lordship may have it next week, my Lord. This matter, if possible.
Yes, list after 1 week, as our counsel with the petitioners not present in court present.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship, on behalf of Respondent 6, I pray for 2 weeks to file my affidavit.
What about number?
Similar prayer for responding number 5.
When was it filed, this matter?
It was filed some time ago, but in between, Lordship, it was not, the issue of locus was being agitated.
1 to 4?
How do we have filed?
Yes, MS, you are sorry for 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name, sorry.
SD
MS December for 5 and Mr. S. Dev for
number 6.
6. Pray for now further 2 weeks time to affidavit. Here's the after and so on.
Item number 4.
Item 4 also is connected to item 3. I am praying for 2 weeks to file my rejoinder, Lordship. Item 4.
3 weeks for rejoinder as prayed.
Obliged.
2 weeks, sorry, not 3 weeks. 2 weeks. Much together.
5.
Your Lordship, I am for the NIOS.
1 second. Have you got your marks?
Your Lordship, the mark sheet, they may collect it from the regional center. It is the original mark sheet and pass certificate are already ready, and they can collect it.
Okay, Your Lordship, but we have not received any instruction from.
Mr. Laskar, you.
Your Lordship, I am making a statement under instructions that the results are available online and they may collect the original mark sheet and pass certificate from the regional center. I am making under instructions, sir.
Yes, Mr. M.L. Laskar, counsel for the respondents 325 NIOS. The pass certificate, you mean? They can collect
Yes.
it? Yes.
Mark sheet and pass certificate.
Yes,
both.
has submitted instructions that the writ petitioner
All
can
the
collect all the writ petitioners. How many writ petitioners are there?
12.
Yes, 12. The writ petitioners can collect their mark sheets and pass certificate from where?
From the regional center, Guwahati.
From the regional center, NIOS.
Please.
NIOS, correct?
Please, sir.
Yes, from regional center, NIOS, Guwahati. Where is the office? Bamuni Maidan?
Please, Your Honor.
Yes, situated at Bamuni Maidan, Assam. This he submits is under X instructions.
Yes.
He's satisfied with that.
Moreover, the results are available online also.
He also submits that the results also available online. So we'll close the matter then. Next panel, Mr. P.K. Shati on this, on the instructions, on the submissions of Mr. M.L. Laskar, Learned Counsel for 325, submits that the matter may perhaps be closed at this stage, and the petitioners will go and collect their pass certificate and mark sheets. Yes. Accordingly, on a submission, when the matter stands closed in disposal. Yes.
I do your best, sir.
Item number 6.
Yes,
Please, Lordship, we have to file a rejoinder against the affidavit filed by private respondent. Rejoinder is ready, my lord. Through the course of delay, we'll file it.
Yes. Mr. Ejindal prays for allowed further a week's time to file a rejoinder. This thereafter, on so.
7.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may be taken up at the end of the board, Your Lordship.
Only for interest?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Only one more aspect is there, Lordship. By that letter, that is 25th September 2024, they have directed me to submit the arrears of bill, Lordship.
Arrears?
Arrears of bills, Lordship. So, Lordship, firstly, Lordship, I do not have any parameters to calculate my arrear, Lordship. It is the pay and accounts.
Please on next, Lordship. Therefore, I request.
Let him come.
Lordship.
Item number 8.
So I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file a rejoinder only to the affidavit filed by the Office of the Accountant General, Lordship.
What about 1 to 6 and 9? Not necessary.
Not necessary, Lordship.
Mr. S. prays for allowed 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit filed by respondents 7 and 9.
9.
Yes, affidavit ready.
The respondents
Lordship,
are supposed to file their
yes, Lordship, it's ready. We are just praying for just some days, Lordship, to be able to file. A week, my lord.
When was this filed?
In the month of September 2024, Your Lordship.
Further 1 week's time has prayed. Allowed for affidavit this thereafter and so on.
Much obliged, Lordship.
10.
Both for the petitioner.
May I please
You
read
can
that?
file affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS. Yes, office note indicates the affidavit is to be filed on behalf of one number 1. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
11.
made clear.
Yes.
Item 11 to 17 and 21 to 24 are connected matters. These are matters where the petitioners have not submitted the application. If you lordship would recall, they have not submitted the application pursuant to the advertisement issue.
They have not submitted.
That is, this is regarding they have not applied. They have sought regularization and the recruitment process. They have challenged the recruitment process, and your lordship has, by last order, if your lordship kindly see last order of 16th December.
Did it?
Lordship has kept
Yes. Yes.
kept 10 posts, 11 posts for grade 4 shall be subject to outcome of the repetition below. So the matter will be required to be heard below. These all matters connected.
Are you ready today?
My lord, I'll ask for some time, my lord.
Received any affidavit also, your lordship? I have filed the affidavit in the lead matter, and that is the same standing all the.
You kindly supply copies to the parties also appearing.
I'll do that.
You just tell your juniors, yes.
Yes, Miller. I will just now.
Yes. It is submitted that you didn't go on. You don't file applications. 11 posts.
No, my lord, we could not get the correct info. We are in service, my lord, now, till now, and we filed a representation for consideration our case, my lord.
You didn't file to the advertisement dated 1st August. You didn't file any. You didn't apply.
We could not apply, my lord.
Your lordship, I would like to point out also in item number 23, that is repetition number 383.
It's not here together with the repetition.
That is.
It's not there. It's not listed with this batch.
No, it's connected, your lordship.
No, it's not here. It's not here in this batch of orders, but.
Oh, yeah. Your lordship, because.
What item is it? 3. Okay, you submit when it comes.
11 to 17 and 21 to 24. Both all are connected. This 11 to 17.
11 to 17.
11 to 17. Yeah, I'm appearing.
21 to 24.
And how many petitioners on all these batch of petitions?
4.
No, how many people are involved in this entire series of cases?
So we together we filed for 11, my lord.
All of you 11?
Yes, my lord. And we were in impression, my lord, that our service will be confirmed, because there are earlier also, there is a record, my lord, earlier also regulation and confirmation was made, my lord, from same batch,
after it was filed on 1911.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, though affidavit on behalf of the respondents has been filed since 1911, since 4/12/24 in WPC number 330/2024, is submitted by the other councils appearing in the connected matters that a said affidavit, not copy of the same, have not been furnished to them. Stop. Therefore, that it is directed. Accordingly, it is directed that the state respondents supply copies of affidavits to all the councils appearing in connected matters just after 2 weeks for hearing. Yes.
Hello, bless me.
$18.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, we are
Once I
here.
let the file come.
We have already filed the affidavit.
Number 9.
Lordship will file in the course of duty. Let this matter be posted for hearing.
It's one number 11.
I think the state has already.
We filed. 11 is whom? 11 is? You have to file with you.
No, lordship.
How can you appear to the file?
So, your lordship, the file is with Mr.
11 day, no.
Yes?
So the file is with Mr. Sen, your lordship.
He doesn't allow you to look at the files.
He allow your lordship.
He keeps under lock and key.
No,
AICTE, lordship.
Then how can you appear to the file? Never appear before the court. You don't have the file. Suppose the case will be disposed of. AICTE, they have not received notice. You have to take fresh steps on number 11. 11 is You don't have the file, you know whether the necessary respondent or not. So just take down Mr. Karma Flang on behalf of respondent number 9 submits that affidavit will be filed in the course of the day. What about number 10? Who's number 10? B. Malingyang. Number 10 is?
Where the respondent, Your Lordship. Number 10 is Union of India, Your Lordship.
Yes.
10 and 11 is pro forma respondent, Your Lordship.
Pro forma respondent.
Then they're not necessary for affidavit then. I believe they should be served, but of the day stop. The office note also indicates that the service is not complete on respondent number 11. Petitioner directed to take fresh steps or to obtain status of service on said respondent. List after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Oblige.
Always have the file with you.
19.
In item 19, Your Lord, counter has been filed today morning.
My Lord, yes, my Lord. We receive at around, my Lord, today morning itself at around 10:30, my Lord.
At what time? 10:15?
10:30, my Lord.
10:30?
Yes, 10:30, my Lord.
So you not had time to go through it?
My Lord, yes, my Lord. We need some times to go through and, my Lord,
Mr. SK
instruction for filing a rejoinder.
Affidavit has just been received. He prays for, is allowed how much time?
My Lord, 2 weeks, my Lord, in the,
time.
maybe fix on the
2 weeks
6th,
time,
my Lord, 6th of March, my Lord.
Absolute for rejoinder, if any.
My Lord. 6th of March, my Lord. My Lord, my Lord, in the meantime, my Lord, interim order may continue, my Lord.
Yes, this is the matter after. But this matter, they already said they're doing on their own. So what remains?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, in the first occasion, my Lord, when Senior Counsel Mr. Ravindra Jain argued before this honorable court, my Lord, some interim protection is given, my Lord.
What, that they won't allow to anybody else?
Yes, my Lord.
But the thing is that if they're doing departmentally, that means they're the owner of the job.
My Lord is correct, my Lord. At least, my
Then
Lord, during
what
this
remains?
pendency of this writ petition.
Suppose you want to hire one housekeeper to do your work, you
My Lord,
rotate one
at least
advertisement paper,
until
and then
decision-
finally you find out I can do it myself.
My Lord is correct. My Lord, at this final decision of this matter, my Lord, shall not go to any other parties, my Lord. Otherwise, we are be in the victim, my Lord, the company, my Lord.
Okay, list on
6th of March, my Lord.
I don't know whether it's convenient. List so and so. Just fix up.
My Lord, some protection, my Lord,
for
interim.
rejoinder if necessary.
My Lord, some protection, my Lord, the interim.
Interim order, if any, shall continue.
My Lord, continue, my Lord. Highly obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of respondent 4 and 5, I am praying for further time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
There's a contempt.
It's regarding
4 and 5. GC Marbo is for 7 and 8. What about state?
Praying
Not filing.
for the 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Number 6.
Yet to appear, Lordship.
6 is whom?
6 is the MDC. He's the concerned MDC, Lordship. He made some personal allegations.
Why you made personal allegations in MDC?
Because he is also necessary party, Lordship.
Necessary party. Then, see, the thing is that it's not by name. So why can't you appear for number? Oh, Akhtar Ali.
Number 6 is by name,
It's
Lordship.
by name.
Yes.
Okay. Ado status report has been filed with regard to service respondent number 6 has been filed. Although service has been filed with regard to service respondent number 6, no appearances made as yet on behalf of said respondent. Stop. And next para Mr. Khan on behalf of 1, 2, 3, as dep for 4 and 5, and GC Maro also pray for not further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This. What about 7 and 8? Oh yes, 2 weeks. Yes. What? We to file affidavit. This after 2 weeks for affidavits and for appearance respondent number 6.
25.
Lordships, the respondents 1, 2, 3 have filed their affidavit, Your Lordship. And in the meantime, Your Lordship, as on 24th January, we've also taken over physical possession of the property.
Yes.
Lordship, we've
You were the
received
petitioner?
yes, Lordship. We've received a counter affidavit, Lordship, this yesterday.
Now there's surface side proceedings, so the
Yes,
thing is
Lordship.
that
If they are aggrieved by that, Your Lordship, they can move the debt
Yes.
recovery tribunal.
you have appellate remedy.
Yes, Lordship, but in this particular matter, kindly allow us, Lordship, to just bring some facts into record.
What facts on record?
Lordship, considering the Rural Bank has given some new facts yesterday, kindly allow us, Lordship.
Verified rejoinder?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, sir. You have for respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, and Mr. Kanwaplang 4 to 7.
5, 6, and 7.
Who's Mr. E.
4, 5,
Sharma?
6, 7.
Who's Sharma for
Private
8?
respondent. Private respondent.
Who's he? Where's
She
the?
is the second wife, I think. Second wife.
No. The council is
For
not
the
there
council, I don't know, Your Lordship.
today. Yes, MST Yangi submits that. You also file an affidavit. You already filed it. You also
Yes, already filed.
Mr. Karakarang, the council petitioner, prays him allowed to file the joint affidavits to the affidavits filed by respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4 to 7. This after 2 weeks. Yes.
Pledge.
26.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavits, Lordship.
My lord, here the matter has become infructuous.
Why?
Lordship say elections has been held and has been declared, my lord.
Lordship has directed respondents to file their respective affidavits, Lordship.
Your Lordship, kindly have the order dated 17/12/2024. Para 4 and 5, my lord.
Yes, what remains? Nothing. Where's Mr. Changreso?
Lordship, this matter, Lordship, if they're not
Who's the
willing-
Wadadar now?
My lord, the respondent number 11 has been elected as the Wadadar. Your Lordship,
Lordship, if they're not willing to file the affidavit, Lordship, then the matter can proceed for admission hearing, Lordship.
No, there's
No, my lord,
nothing
there
to
a new
hear
course of
now.
action has gone.
You have a new course of action.
That's my limited instructions, Lordship.
Totesh Yorin.
My lord.
Very familiar name, anyway. Oh, he was Wadadar before.
Yes, Lordship, he was Wadadar.
Matter can come after 1 week.
It has been submitted by the councils for the respondents that the matter has since been rendered infructuous due to the fact that the elections to the post of Wadadar of Shella Confederacy has since been concluded, and the respondent number 11 has been elected as the new incumbent. Stop. However, Mr. Tidakar submits in the absence of senior, that the matter will be adjourned for 1 week. Yes. In consideration thereof, list after 1 week. But then there's a debt letter now.
27.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Where's is Assam Rifles matter? What's the matter about?
Your Lordship he's a constable in the BSF.
Where is he posted right now?
In Shillong itself, Lordship. He was
In Shillong
denied permission to go for his diploma, which is required for promotion on the ground. There is
But
not a
then 2
PG.
weeks
2 weeks, Lordship.
has paid 2 weeks for a 2 weeks time allowed for affidavit by the
All the
respondents.
Obliged.
28.
Your Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks' time in this matter as well, Your Lordship.
Yes, has paid for the 2 weeks time allowed response card affidavit.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Second call, supplementary list item number 1.
This is a petition followed by similarly situated paramedics working under the health department.
Mr. Pasanti was submitted earlier.
Yes.
He said that they were confirmed in service before they were regularized.
Yes, my lord.
And given the benefit of
ACPS.
What do you want now?
So, my lord, now because verbally we have been informed that they will recover all the amounts.
Unless there's some You can substantiate that. How will we pass interim
But
orders?
I'll only take notice.
speculation.
I'll only take notice. There are other cases coming up where they've retired, my lord, and there have been orders for recovery, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Laman Philomenon Contempt issue notice. MS Young Lady
1 to 5, Your Lordship.
Accept on behalf of
1 to 5.
1 to 5. That means as such notice complete all respondents. Just after 2 weeks for instructions affidavit.
But the only thing is because as far as the order of regularization is concerned, we're getting all benefits, my lord, including pension. All benefits, increments, leave,
etc.
Yes, my lord. And in fact, it is their own clarification, my lord, at page 38, given by the Finance Pay Revision Department, my lord, that employees who are confirmed are to be considered from the date of appointment, my lord, for all benefits. And, my lord,
date of appointment
now,
or
my lord,
regularization?
as a matter of policy, the cabinet has regularized us, but there's been double standard. As far as the teachers are concerned, they have been given from the date of appointment, my lord. To us, so, my lord.
Instructions, Lordship, because
Item number 7.
It is any recovery, then you will get orders. But then if there is no orders for recovery, how can we stay?
there is no such. Lies, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Teb?
Super.
He was here just now.
Not out.
He had mentioned this earlier just now. Order 7. Yes, the thing is that he said that he's been asked to recalibrate the arrears. But he doesn't know what the parameters.
Well, the relief has been granted to him, my lord. The only thing is now he wants interest on that.
I don't understand what Mr. Deb wants also. Where is he?
I want to look for him.
He's saying arrear bills. He doesn't have any idea how to calculate arrear bills. He's left the court. Strange fellow. Only thing, see, you see this, your 19 September 24 order, which it supplied last time.
Well, it says, my lord, in compliance with the judgment order, the petitioner's case has been reconsidered by the competent authority and granted first financial upgradation under ACP scheme with effect from 18/9/2006 up to completion of 12 years from the date of remonstration, so and so. However, due to some error, the effective date of first ACP has been amended with effect from 2006, white correction number. So the arrears on account of first ACP will be paid to the petitioner on submission of arrears by the petitioner. In view of the above, the grievance of the petitioner already been resolved and nothing left. And on the last hearing, my lord, what happened, what I understood, my lord, that they are asking for interest on that, my lord, on the payment of arrears. Otherwise, substantial relief has been.
No, he doesn't have. Earlier on, you're not here. He said that he does not know how to calculate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
arrears.
I do not have the parameters. Next time they will ask me to prepare my IPS also, initial pay statement. So it will be very difficult. I do not have any parameters, Lordship.
How would you calculate arrears?
Yes, Lordship.
See, the arrears on account of first ECP will be paid to petitioner on submission of arrears bill by the petitioner. He doesn't know how to calculate arrears bill.
That he can go to the department. I'll ask them to cooperate with him and help him.
Lordship, it is there. It is a work of the department, Lordship. Pay and
This
accounts
kind
is
of thing cannot invoke 226.
So you want the court to do it for you?
Lordship, they may be directed to prepare the arrears, Lordship.
And this gentleman, I think this must be a 10th rate petition in his life.
His hobby.
His hobby.
Some people have litigation as a hobby also. Correct, Mr. Dem?
No, Lordship. Lordship, the
Is that
fact
his
is
hobby?
that no, Lordship. The
It's his
issue-
full-time profession, do you mean?
No, Lordship.
Then?
The
I think he's superannuated,
issue
so
is
he's
that,
now.
issue is that, Lordship, every time they are
He's already
denying my
retired
benefits.
also now.
Lordship, first of all, they have denied my promotion when I have approached this honorable court. Then and only I got my promotion.
Not retired,
They
he
have
is-
denied my SCP when I have approached this honorable court. Then I got the SCP, Lordship. Every time they are denying my benefits, Lordship.
Stop,
They are
take
forcing
some,
me to come to the.
Well, it can be disposed with that direction that he'll approach the department. Department will cooperate and
Lordship, they
assist
may
him.
be directed to prepare the areas, Lordship. Lordship, I do not have the parameters, Lordship. I do not have the. How can I prepare? Next time they will ask me to prepare my initial pay statement also, Lordship. And they have already given the increased salary, Lordship, also.
They given increased salary also?
Yes, Lordship. With effect from October 2024. So I have not did anything, Lordship. They have done by themselves only. Now they are asking
but
me.
who calculates this arrears? Actually, it comes from your account section.
Yes, Lordship. Pay and account section, Lordship.
Well, let him go once, my lord. I'll ask them to cooperate with him.
Yes, okay.
Sit with him and finalize whatever.
Though Dr. N. Mozikia has produced a communication dated 19 September 2024, whereby the grievances of the writ petitioners have been redressed, but the petitioner asked to provide the arrear bills. Mr. B-Deb submits that the writ petitioner does not have any idea.
Yes, Lordship. How to calculate?
No, does not have the
parameters to calculate.
Doesn't have the
parameters to calculate.
Does not have the parameters how to collect the arrear bills. Stop. He prays that directions be issued to the pay and accounts section of the respondent for calculating the same.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Dr. N. Mozika submits that the petitioner is at liberty to approach the pay and account section, who will cooperate and generate the arrear bills in question. Stop. Accordingly, in the submissions, there would be no purpose to continue submission. The petition stands closed and disposed of.
Lordship, I may be allowed to say. Lordship, I have a second prayer also in this petition, Lordship. I have prayed for the interest for the ages, Lordship.
For the arrears?
Yes, Lordship. And I place one decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. I place one decision of the Honorable
But the prayer for arrear is
Lordship,
not raised to
I may be allowed to submit, Lordship. I place one decision of the Honorable.
Let's see a prayer, yeah? You have not a petition to come then.
Prayer is at Lordship, page 16, Lordship.
%18% you want interest?
Lordship, as admissible, Lordship.
Yes, Dr. Mozika.
My lord, he came before this honorable court earlier, my lord. The order is annexed, my lord, at page 19. Disposed of by auditor 13/4/23.
90. Yes.
My lord, in this order, my lord, there is no such relief given to him, my lord. So he's barred by res judicata as well as constructive res judicata, my lord, from raising this issue now. And this will open up a very big Pandora's box, my lord.
No, Dari. There are no the arrear bills in question. That's a only submissions that represent stands closed. Any relief that the petitioner is entitled the liberty to agitate before the said respondents. Yes. Your bar is good. I will not make
Yes, sir,
I will not make observations because once you'll be closed forever. Let them consider. Yes.
Hearing item 34.
Not appearing for this. Mr. B, you haven't appeared on many dates in this case. This case is yours, 34, correct? You don't have any other counsel with you?
34. Yes, I have lost. No, Lordship, I have appeared also on last occasion. I have appeared, but because of the non-ability of the counsel for the respondent, NHHDCL, the matter is adjourned, Lordship.
1612, none appears for the. Your name is not recorded here.
But probably, Lordship.
This matter may prefer some time.
Huh? What about this this communication to 6 April 23 with regard to how do you file affidavit?
We filed.
Who's for the state?
This matter has prefer some time. Next week sometime. Mr. Chula is appearing.
Yeah, asking for compensation.
Yes, Sir, Lordship. The issue is very limited, Lordship, here. And the inspection report was also on place on record, Lordship. And the inspection report is saying that the land is affected due to washout of soil down by the APC.
Where is that? And so do washout of soil done by EPC contractor. Okay, it's under concept number 5, right?
Yes, Sir, Lordship.
Yes, who produces this?
Counsel for the state respondent, Lordship.
Was it filed by affidavit, Mr. Khan?
No. No, Lordship.
Mr. Shulai is conducting the.
Where was Mr. Shulai?
He's on next before.
This is matter up to 1 week is on the prayer of the parties.
Alright.
Well, just find out whether it's filed affidavit or not. But that has to come in affidavit. If the courts take, there's a
35.
May it please your Lordship. But this is a matter wherein the petitioners herein were regularized by one cabinet decision, Lordship, and they got into service prior to 2007, Lordship. Now, as far as the petitioners have twofold prayers, Lordship. One of the first is that they should be covered under old pension scheme, that is Meghalaya Pension Rules 1983, Lordship. And as far as that for first prayer is concerned, Lordship, is if the reply of the respondent number 1 is anything to go by, Lordship, it seems that they have considered to cover the petitioners under the old pension scheme, Lordship. If Lordship could kindly have affidavit, Lordship, filed with the respondent.
Which paragraph?
Page number 2, Lordship. I'll begin with paragraph 3, Lordship.
Yes.
May I read, Lordship? Paragraph 3, that with regard to averments made at paragraph 1.1 of the petition, the answering respondent submits that pursuant to serial number 4, 5, 6 and 8 of the Government Office Memorandum number so-and-so and date is 21 December 2022, the government has extended the benefit of leave, increments, pension, etc. to all the ad hoc employees, Lordship. And another paragraph, which will make it clear, Lordship, paragraph 8, the next page, Lordship. That with regard to averments made at paragraph 7 to 12 of the writ petition, the answering respondent states that as per para 4 of the office memorandum so-and-so dated 21/12/2022, it has stated that the cabinet on 9/11/2022 decided to grant pensionary benefit as one-time exercise only to those 3635 ad hoc employees who were appointed on or before 31st/12/2007, Lordship. And the petitioners herein are covered under this, Lordship. So it seems that the first fold of prayer is has been considered.
So you want regularization from the date of initial
Lordship.
appointment?
Lordship.
But that will be consider other cases also, correct?
Yes.
Lordship, and another fact is emerged, Lordship.
Now you're basing your claim for one from the date of initial appointment on memorandums issued by the state earlier on.
Lordship,
With regard to the
what has happened, Lordship, is that many of the petitioners herein have even received promotion, Lordship. Before they were regularized, they have received promotion also, Lordship. So what is the...
But the promotion is regular by a competent authority or was given...
By competent authority, Lordship. So what is the...
Where is that? Let's see.
Lordship,
otherwise, all are you temporarily appointed?
You were all ad hoc appointees.
All ad hoc temporary appointees, temporary appointees. Yes.
Lordship, could kindly have page number 14 of my writ petition, Lordship.
1-4.
1-4, Lordship. Lordship, the first petitioner, Lordship, the Sri Rajiv J. Motho, appointed on 27th April 2004, and Lordship will have 4th column,
order?
Lordship. Date of promotion is 04.
Let's see, where's the promotion order? All of these people have been promoted also.
Lordship.
Okay.
One of the promotion letters is, Lordship, page 121, Lordship. These are all in the exigency of service and subject to regularization by the Department Promotion Committee. See Virginia Shulai, Health Assistant, Swear Primary Health Center, who is Senior Most Health Assistant, is hereby temporarily promoted to Sanitary Inspector, Lordship.
How does this temporary promotion?
Pongsa Primary Sector, but all the benefits have been extended, Lordship.
Whatever it is.
Lordship, one fact has emerged subsequent to the filing of this writ petition is that two of the petitioner, Lordship, who are, Lordship, could kindly have page number 6 of my writ petition, Lordship. Petition number 13, Sri Benjamin War, and petition number 15, Sri Jangseng Nongrum. They were already regularized, Lordship, in the year 1998 and 2007, Lordship. And I have
by competent authority?
By competent authority. Their services were...
They all health workers?
They were health workers, Lordship.
All of them in DHS?
All paramedics, Lordship. They were actually appointed as ad hoc appointees in the district level only, Lordship, without the competent authority.
That's a common feature.
But they, yes.
Because they were regularized by the DMHO, and then when the matters came up here, then they were not given a pension.
Yes,
they
Your
found
Lordship.
out that the person who granted regularization is not the competent authority. So that's it, those are the things. Yes.
Lordship, could, if I prefer, Lordship, some time to bring this on record, Lordship. These are the regularization letters in respect
why
to these
why didn't you put them the writ petition initially?
Lordship, what had happened was they are Group D employees and they did not posted in far-flung areas, Lordship. So this letter was, they could procure these letters just recently, Lordship. And one of the lead petitioners is bereaved, Lordship, suffered bereavement, Lordship. So I need some time to prepare this, Lordship. If 2 weeks, 3 weeks time could be granted, Lordship.
Yes.
It's all right, Your Lordship.
Bring on the record, yes.
Let
Because
him bring it on record.
This is, in fact, I think it needs some clarification from the state.
From the state
because
also.
how do you tackle these cases where people regularize, again it comes to list, whether
they were promoted.
any corrigendum issued, something with those people who've been regularized, because if it's prospective regularization, then if you act upon this memorandum, then they lose all those years of service. Which is...
The ad hoc appointees, they were irregular appointees, Lordship. They had not come through
been regularized by competent authority. Again, the names are featured. There's some cases they featured again
so
in
that
this.
we have
in this
to
new
find out,
exercise.
Your Lordship.
That's
Whether
what happened. Now the thing is that they say prospective.
who had regularized
So
them? Whether there was a cabinet approval, Your Lordship.
That has to be,
clarified.
reconciled. That's the thing.
Lordship, if I may submit, Lordship, what has happened is that there's a very peculiar situation, Lordship. If this cabinet regularization letter had not come, Lordship, then many of the petitioners would have got their promotion also. So what has happened is that because it is from the prospective date, Lordship, the competent authorities are saying that your residency period cannot be counted.
The earlier case you were hearing?
Yes, which was.
That, I mean, it's one of the
It is same thing, Your
They've been
Lordship.
given ACP also.
Yes, Lordship.
And then they've been given other benefits also. And then now they were confirmed in service and not regularized. So that is like a paradox.
I
In
don't
the
know
absence
how
of
it
this
is
cabinet
happening, Your
lordship, they
Lordship,
would
in
have
the
got
state.
promotion, Lordship. Now, because it's a prospective date, what they are saying is that the back services cannot be counted for the purpose of promotion, Lordship. Very peculiar situation, Lordship.
Peculiar, and there are so
Mr.
many.
Pandey, the Council of the course of hearing, please be allowed some time to bring on record certain documents which are relevant for the matter. Praise funds allowed, it's allowed this matter for 2 weeks, yes.
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks for the 3 affidavits.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
37.
Your Lordship, this matter pertains to the teacher matter, Your Lordship, wherein via appointment dated the 22nd of May 2023, there was an advertisement that had been published calling for eligible candidates to participate for the post of assistant teacher. Your Lordship, that advertisement is annexed at Annexure 3, which is page 17.
Lordship, before my learned friends start, may I just interrupt? This order dated 20/11/2024 in the this case. So everything, if we read it, that order, it will reflect. No need to go to back to the history of the case because it's already reflected there. Lordship.
What's the order in this case? You were there
In the miscase, 20/11/2024.
Your Lordship, this miscase is basically, Your Lordship,
Because no, Lordship, what I'm trying to say, history of the case, no, whatever is there, whatever my learned friend is going to submit, it is already there, Lordship. In the order dated 20/11/2024, miscase number 188 of 2024. I have this copy, Lordship.
188.
188.
Sangma.
Yes.
Sibop Sangma.
Barnes Sangma, yes, Sibok Sangma.
Yeah.
So this is it. The interim order has been vacated. No, this is our order. Can I just see that? Para 5 have elaborately mentioned.
Where's Karmi?
He is on his legs before courtroom number 4. The hearing is going on.
Oh, you objected last time. What further hearing do you want?
Your Lordship, what I've...
Secondly, my lord, this already, what I got instruction is from the government also.
Yeah,
from
advertisement's already floated.
no, they said that they have already, the advertisement is already on the
You got
process.
the advertisement.
Your Lordship,
In practice now, yes.
It's already in practice.
We'll close it. You take your chances.
But Your Lordship, take into consideration, Your Lordship, that via this appointment...
No, that advertisement is cancelled because MTET is it's
Your
a
Lordship,
mandate that
I
is
agree,
required.
Your
You can't try
agree,
to to maintain the old advertisement which is
The government affidavit is very clear, Lordship.
But Your
Page
Lordship,
10.
it is on... the error is on their part, Your Lordship.
For that, they can file
the
separate.
order passed in like 188/2024. The order dated 2011-2024, passed in this case number 18024 in the connected in view of the order dated 2011-24, passed in this case number 18024. Nothing survives consideration of the petition. The same is closed and disposed of. You take your chance. You challenge a new advertisement then.
Lordship.
I will not record that new advertisement floated. So you take your chances if you feel I still agree. Yes.
Much pleasure, Lordship.